Thanks, Rajesh. My colleague Muthukrishnan will be speaking to you tomorrow the way we are introduced electronic fund management system and other initiatives in NREGA quite at length. I am a layman in these matters, but I wanted to share the last 4 years. Frankly, the amount of difficulties we have had in implementing the MIS. Simply put, when I joined, I didn't understand what even an MIS wants. Everybody was using the word management information. I mean, MIS I knew, but that they had a peculiar software in which we have to feed data, because this was a totally new program which Government of India had started when they are implementing NREGA, and they have developed a NREGA soft, in which the entries have to be made from every Gram Panchayat ideally, but since it is not practically possible, from every tehsil or block of the state across the country. It's an excellent software. It has got many awards, and if you go to narega.nic.in, you will know how many job card holders are there, what is the expenditure in a village. High level of transparency is there. But what we found in 2010, a major program, I'm trying to share the difficulties with you. The software has been developed, and we were just said, you go ahead. But nobody told how to go ahead. And some districts were allowed to do what they want, and certain district collectors had engaged what is known as the data entry agencies to make entries. Each was working in their own way. And what we found at some stage, that they were very keen to make a particular type of entries because they were paid according to that type of entries, but neglecting other type of entries because they were not paid for that. This also didn't come immediately. And they were saying, sir, it is not certain data. If you go, all sorts of excuse or all sorts of feedback we will get. Some of them, to figure out what is the problem itself, was a challenge to me. They will say that it is not getting uploaded. But then we found that there is no proper connectivity till the computer. Some of the terminologies at the tehsil level, the cutting edge staff will be using, it is very difficult to understand. They use the word online in 20 different ways. The word, what is exactly online, Kele Sahib? Online zale nahi hai. I mean, what they mean is something else. But now this word online itself they use in a very different context. The other side is, right from Delhi, they say they use they say they bring certain experts to train our people. But they use certain terminologies which a typical cutting edge staff, our Tehsildar or BDO, don't understand. And they take certain simple words for granted. Server. It may look very laughable for you, but at that level it is just, they just don't understand. So my request to you is, I mean, in these type of program where you go up to the bottom of the village, this language, the terminology we use may make sense to us. Like a child's language may make sense to the parents, but not to others. So simple language has to be used so that you communicate. The second one is, I was feeling very lonely in the first 2-3 years of the work. We didn't know what to do. We thought we'll get a state coordinator to handle this, but we didn't know how to define his tasks. Because we thought, everybody said a software fellow is required, but actually there is already a software. Only we wanted somebody to see that the entries are made on time. So which needs a different set of skill sets, and nobody helped me to draft the skill set. At last I got hold of a dear friend from IIT. He is sort of one foot in the social work field, who has done the computerization of Gujarat High Court. And he said, don't worry, I'll sit in some tehsil offices. And he diagnosed the problem. This is what you want. You need some, with a danda who sees that entries are made. This is what you need. And he defined the task. In simple language, in these type of massive work, technology is not the issue. Lot of communication is required. And communication not from high level point of view, but from data entry, small operators, data entry operators, and such level point of view. One of the very difficult decision I took, it may look very strange for you, all the collectors were asked to engage agencies for data entry operate work. So many of the small time fellows from the district had taken up this work. Slowly they got entrenched. They got about 10, 15 people. Now how to get rid of this? Then we found it is working and not working. I had a dilemma whether to keep these people. The suggestion was keep full-time staff. Don't keep these agencies. They don't deliver. We were worried that if I take it out, suppose it doesn't click, the whole blame comes on me at my level. And there was nobody to say that out of these two decisions, which is good or which is bad. Fortunately, in one rainy season, which we call a lean season of our work, I took the decision to get rid of these data entry agencies and started employing people on full-time on a contract basis. Touch wood, it clicked. The point I'm trying to say is not the rightness or the wrongness of the decision, but at this type of thing, adequate support and guidance is not forthcoming at various levels, including from a software developer at the very high level. This is what I wanted to share. And in this type of massive work, my request would be when it goes down, when we introduce changes, the human factor and the communication factor must be taken into account. I thought I would share this. The positive side I could have told, but that is reserved for tomorrow. My colleague will be sharing with you.